Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Premiera Hotel Kuala Lumpur. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, restaurant, room service, 24-hour front desk, laundry and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Premiera Hotel Kuala Lumpur. Premiera Hotel Kuala Lumpur is within a 5-minute walk of Maju Junction Mall, Campbell Complex and Sogo shopping mall. It houses a restaurant and offers complimentary Wi-Fi access and parking spaces. The hotel is a 15-minute walk from Dataran Merdeka and a 50-minute drive from Kuala Lumpur International Airport. The non-smoking rooms at Premiera Hotel feature a flat-screen TV with satellite channels, a personal safe and a wardrobe. Ironing facilities and an electric kettle are included. The ensuite bathroom comes with a hairdryer. Staff at the 24-hour reception can assist with luggage storage and concierge services, as well as the use of meeting facilities. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.